Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Controversy Erupts After Police Take His Puppies. Oh man, you can't take the dogs. Come on, man. Dog is a man's best friend, man. Let's get to it.
Officers respond to a man illegally camping on the side of a busy highway. He has a mother pit bull with multiple newborn puppies that soon make this situation much more complicated for officers.
Sheriff's office. How you doing, bud? Is this where you're staying at? Hi.
Temporarily.
Temporary?
Yes.
What happened to your neck? You need an ambulance or something?
I have a fractured spinal cord, so I can't be walking too much.
Damn, that sounds bad. How old are your puppies?
They're 21 days old.
Okay.
Hey, Cruz.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Fussy. It's all right, Fuss. It's okay. Good girl. I'm glad you gave him the food I brought. Her. We're thinking what's best is we hold them for protection.
No, it's okay. I can keep the puppies. They're in a good environment. It's in a tent. It's still, you don't understand, it's my decision what I want to do with the puppies.
So here's the thing, Cruz. We understand that, but here's the thing. You are illegally camping here, right?
I'm not illegally camping nowhere because in Monroe County, it's called off-grid living, and that's 100% legal.
Okay. Not on county property. You can do off-grid living out there.
Okay, then I'm going to remove this stuff and then I'm going to go out there then.
Why don't you come out here so we can talk to you?
No, I don't want to talk. I already know what is going on and...
Hey, I don't know what you...
Come
out here. Come out here right now.
What, the machete?
Yeah, I'm talking about the machete. Get out here right now.
That's a concealed weapon. Then it's in here. There's nothing wrong with that.
Here's the thing, bud. Get out of the tent now before I move you out of the tent. I'm gonna count to 3, and then I'm gonna remove you.
Hi, Mama.
I don't ask twice.
Come on, man.
I ask once, and then I tell you, then I make you.
You all got a kennel or something to start grabbing these puppies?
I'm getting my shoes,
Stop
man.
reaching for shit.
Stop making up stuff. God damn. Jesus Christ.
Nah, we've been nice for a while.
Hi,
I don't being nice nothing. I didn't do nothing. I'm grabbing my shoes.
Right there. Here's your second shoe. Stop reaching.
Jesus Christ. And no, you're not taking my puppy. This is my decision.
No, we're taking.
No, you're not. Look. Stop it, man. Stop it.
Do not grab me again.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Do not grab me again.
Don't touch me.
You understand me?
I didn't do nothing illegal.
You understand me?
I did not do nothing illegal.
You are not gonna touch me.
I have I have a neck brace. That's illegal.
You understand that you are not gonna touch me?
I didn't do nothing illegal.
Do not come at me like that again.
I didn't do nothing illegal. Fussy, chill.
Do not.
I didn't do.
I lost my handcuffs.
Wait, hold on. Why she tased him? They didn't even ask him to do anything yet. Besides, it's not like the officer was saying put your hands behind your back or anything. Like the officer just talking to him, saying you're not gonna touch me, but she just tased him without. What the hell? Like, yo, that was crazy. Maybe I didn't hear something. Maybe he did say put your hands behind your back or something, and he didn't do it or something.
Up stuff. God damn. Jesus Christ.
Nah, we've been nice for a while.
Hi, Mama.
I don't being nice nothing. I didn't do nothing. I'm grabbing my shoes.
Right there. Here's your second shoe. Stop reaching.
Jesus Christ. And no, you're not taking my puppy. This is my decision.
No, we're taking.
No, you're not. Look. Stop it, man. Stop it.
Do not grab me again.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Do not grab me again.
Don't touch me.
You understand me?
I didn't do nothing illegal.
You understand me?
I did not do nothing illegal.
You are not gonna touch me.
I have a neck brace. That's illegal.
You understand that you are not gonna touch me?
I didn't do nothing illegal.
Do not come at me like that again.
I didn't do nothing illegal. Fussy, chill.
Do not.
I didn't do.
I lost my handcuffs.
Take your dogs.
I didn't do nothing illegal.
You did. We're taking your dogs.
What did I do illegal? Damn, what are you doing? Let me control it.
Stop.
Let me control it.
Let go of her arm.
Let me control her.
Give me your other arm.
Let me control her. I didn't do nothing wrong. What did I do? Was you illegally lock me up?
Or not.
Then let me get my dog. Let me get my dog. That's illegal, man. you doing? You laughing? Stop laughing.
I'm not laughing, dude.
You are laughing. Call me a
Stop grabbing at her.
No, call me the lieutenant now. That's a direct order.
Hey, get this goddamn dog!
No.
Jen, hurry!
You're gonna get tased hard. Stop kicking. Stop kicking.
During this struggle, the mother dog bit this female officer's arm several times to protect the suspect, which we got a small glimpse of in the footage. After the officer's body cam falls off, the dog then bit the officer's face as the suspect was kicking.
Call the sergeant. Call the sergeant.
Well, now you're going to jail, so now we're taking
The
everything.
sergeant is coming right now.
Thank you.
All right, stop moving.
I might have a C5 fracture.
Well, then stop fighting.
I'm not even resisting.
You are. You've kicked the deputy. You hit me.
She saw a
We're not doing
machete.
this.
She saw a machete.
No shit, and you reached for it.
I did not have his real shoes. Stop misinterpreting.
We're not misinterpreting shit.
About how much you want back? I got $200.
Oh, no.
I got
Pay for it, but
$200.
step it up.
Oh, no.
I got $200.
Sweet.
No, please, can you stop touching my
Stop
nuts?
fucking moving!
Stop sexually harassing me.
Shut up.
No, I have to. Stop fucking mouth.
Shut up.
Stop touching my nuts. Get your hands off my groins. You can grab anything else except for my penis.
Well, then stop moving.
Damn. Dog, stop touching my nuts. Dog, can you get off my nuts? Thank you. That's all I asked for. God damn.
Come on, I hate scruffing, but
Machete that
What
I
are
didn't
you doing?
even
You
have my
want to
hands
handcuff
on.
him the other hand first?
Your hand go.
No, I'm not. I want to touch his. I want to touch her. I'm not talking to the surgeon. Stop putting your hands on me. I didn't do nothing. I didn't even reach for
You
nothing.
reach for it again, it's gonna hurt.
Dumb.
Hobble.
Yeah, get the hobble. Where do you have one in your car? You have one on you?
No.
If that's the lieutenant or sergeant,
You want to spin him around? Get him in cuffs?
Hobble's on the side passenger door.
I will comply, sergeant.
Stop.
Stop hitting me. I'm talking to the sergeant.
You're not talking to anybody right now.
That's the sergeant.
It doesn't matter.
Hobble your feet.
Racist, man. I'm not even doing nothing. Any other?
You saw that weak ass punch, man. Did you see? Did you see that weak ass punch she did? That was weak.
Where do you have one in your car? You have one on you?
No.
If that's the lieutenant or sergeant,
You want to spin him around?
Look,
Get him
she
in
thinks
cuffs?
she's doing
Hobble's on
something.
the
Watch.
side passenger door.
I will comply, sergeant.
Stop.
Stop hitting me. I'm talking to the sergeant.
You're not talking to anybody right now.
That's the sergeant.
It doesn't matter.
Hobble your feet.
Racist, man. I'm not even doing nothing. Any other person to my wrist. All right, I'm up.
Tighten the hobbles.
Flip over.
Now. Dog, this is unnecessary.
It is, and it's over. So we're done. You're okay? We're okay. That's it.
All right, can I get up now?
In a minute. All right, get one aside.
You good?
Yeah. You got anything on
Sit
you?
on up.
You got anything on you?
No, I'm sitting here sleeping half dead, right? And they said I have a concealed weapon. I wasn't reaching for anything.
Where's the weapon in here? Anything?
It's a machete that I purchased.
Anything else?
No, I had no guns, no drugs, nothing. I have a service dog.
Okay.
And you can review the cameras. She said I'm illegally 10. She said, I think it's best if we take your dog. I said, no, I would move somewhere else.
Stand him up. We're gonna walk him out here.
1, 2, 3.
Can you get on my neck brace? My neck brace.
Where's it
I'll
at?
get it.
We'll get it. Don't worry. We got a paramedic coming to look at you. All right? Let's walk up here.
That's fine. Yep.
All right. Have a seat right here. Sit on your side. I'm gonna have a paramedic come take a look at you. All right?
All right, so I'm chilling, right? I'm laying down. And they said, I think it's best if we take your dogs. I said, no, I have a settlement. I can go somewhere else. He said, you illegally camping on government property. I said, off-grid living is 100% legal. And she saw that I had a machete. She said, stop reaching. I wasn't reaching for anything. I grabbed my shoes, and then the guy just assaulted me out of the ordinary. I didn't even do nothing wrong. I said, you on my neck, you on my neck. I have a C5 fracture. I have a settlement. That's disorderly conduct, man.
I'm going to walk him down to the shade.
Grab my neck brace. Grab my neck brace.
The sergeant will be up here. I'm going to get you situated first, and then I'll go down there and get it, okay?
I need my puppies. I need my
You
dogs.
understand? You want to go to the shade first?
Yes.
All right. Let's walk to the shade.
I need my puppies because I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay. I'm not here. I just got here. There. All right.
Can you breathe?
No, it's just my neck. I have a C5 fracture.
Okay. Just relax. We'll take care
Rescue's
of it.
coming.
We got the
This
ambulance on
tent's
the way.
right back here.
And that's why I kept coming this way, because I knew it was gonna go sideways.
I saw the machete and I really reach for it.
All right, way to handle it and be composed and not go the other way with it.
I just come outside and talk to us because I knew,
Right.
you know, the dog was biting me everywhere. The dog went nuts.
The dog bit you? Break skin
I
anywhere?
don't know. I'm not worried about it now.
All right, go sit in your car.
I can't. I don't have my keys.
Okay, go down there and look. Let's get you in the car cooled off, and then we'll go from there.
They came and picked it up because
Okay.
they thought it was best for them to go in
now.
the shelter.
Let him.
I see the dog, but I want to make sure your dog's taken care of. That's all we care about. Make sure
What's
everything's taken
your
care of.
name?
My name is Crucito.
That's your real name?
Yeah, that's my
Birth
government
name.
name. Birth government name.
Yeah, but where's your ID out of?
It's in there.
What
Where's
state?
it from?
From Maryland.
Maryland?
Yes, sir. This guy come, tell me stop reaching. I'm grabbing my shoes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take you down. I'm not reaching for nothing.
Let's just calm down. Do you mind if I go get your ID?
Yes.
Where's it at?
It's in the hub part. The pouch.
The pouch?
Yeah.
All right. When I walk in your tent, it's gonna be to the left or to the right?
I think it's gonna be to your left.
Okay.
But just check all of them, though.
Do I have permission to go grab it?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I'm gonna go grab that ID. All right.
All right, thank you. They taser me. I'm trying to get off of my neck. I have a fracture. I haven't healed yet. I have a fracture. He's on my neck. Told me to shut the up if I don't do nothing.
How you doing? This is rescue. Okay, just tell them.
So I'm sitting down because I'm hot. I'm suffering from strokes.
Okay.
So the officers in the animal control, they said, I think it's best if we take the dog. So the lady looked inside my tent. She saw a machete. She said, "Stand down, stand down." That first and foremost, it's a machete. I'm an executive chef. I went to school for chef, and I'm a registered fighter underneath Tai Chi.
They're not here. They're not here for that. They're here for you medical. Medical.
I have a C5 fracture on my spinal cord. This guy put pressure on my spinal cord. I can die any minute. He's paralyzable.
Right. When did that happen?
This happened on March the 24th when I was hit by a car on my moped.
This recent March?
Yes, this recent March.
Do you have neck pain?
Yes, all on my spinal cord.
You wear a brace or anything?
Yes, I had my neck breaks in there. He took it off of me.
You wear that all the time?
Yes, all the time.
Put it on you now, all right?
Thank you.
We'll take your vitals and everything, but I mean, it looks like you're moving your neck fine, right?
No, it hurts.
It hurts?
Yeah, it hurts bad.
So, I mean, we can take you to the hospital and get checked out, or?
No, I want to see what they're going to do first because I need to grab my dog and my puppies.
Right.
Your puppies are fine. They're not going to come with you. Either way, you're going to go to the if you're going to the
So
hospital.
you wear this all the time, right?
Yes. I need a new one because it's tearing apart on me.
Okay.
See, you can see where he broke it apart.
You have any allergies?
No. Y'all can review the camera, Sarge. I'm telling you, I never reached for anything.
I'm not here. I'm just the third officer that got here, buddy.
All right.
All right. That's all I am. The sergeant went over there to talk to her. So.
Because there's nothing, there's no concealed guns in there, there's no pepper spray, there's nothing in there. I'm telling them, get off my neck, get off my neck. No, shut up. Dog, I'm like, dog, I have a neck injury.
They couldn't, it's like they were scared that the dog was going to bite them. The dog was in our space biting us. And I keep yelling at her, you need to grab the dog and pull her. And they're like, she doesn't want to go. I'm like, I really don't care right now. Yank the dog, we're getting bit and we're fighting with this guy.
I'm not dealing with the dog anymore.
The guy was on my spinal cord. I have a C5. I'm telling him, get off. It's paralyzable. You got to get off my neck. I'm working with you. He didn't care. I have a settlement. I have a personal injury lawyer.
Well, everything's on camera, so it'll be documented that way.
Thank you.
But let me just take some pictures real quick for our report. And
all right.
These don't stay in my cell phone. I'm not going to put on Facebook. They go into our own database and they get into evidence.com. All right.
So this is where everything was. It's right here in the corner.
Yeah.
He sat up and he reached and the machete was back there. I jumped in there and grabbed the machete and threw it out.
She's got to take you by the hospital and get checked out?
No, I'm good. I just want to go. I'm just want to go.
We have to. It's
We're going to do it anyway, man, just to be safe.
No. We have to. It's just a safety thing, especially because your neck.
No, he didn't take that as an issue.
Listen. Even though it doesn't show up on the instruments, the hospital has better instruments. They can do a better check. All right,
Go ahead and stand up.
We just want to make sure you're fine. All right.
We're going to walk this way. Right here, second car. Just take a seat. Relax, okay? I'm going to take the hobble. Hobble's going to come off so he can get in here. He hasn't been a problem.
That's fine.
You don't want this back on you, right? You're not going to be a problem.
Nah, hell no. I'm just.
All right, I'm going to drop it.
Oh man, this is probably the most I haven't talked, really. I'm locked in with this because I'm trying to think in the beginning, was he reaching for his shoes or did she see the machete and get freaked out? You know what I mean? Because I don't know how I feel about this one. I do think the first taser was kind of, I don't know if she hit it by accident or what. Like, I think that first taser or whatever, I think that was uncalled for. But I'm trying to see. Hold on.
Grid living, and that's 100% legal.
Okay.
Yeah,
Not
so
on county property. You can do off-grid living out there.
Okay, then I'm gonna remove this stuff and then I'm gonna go out there then.
Why don't you come out here so we can talk to you?
No, I don't want to talk. I already know what is going on and...
Hey, I don't know what you...
But,
come out here. Come out here right now.
What, the machete?
Yeah, I'm talking about the machete. Get out here right now.
That's a concealed weapon. Then it's in here. There's nothing wrong with that.
Here's the thing, bud. Get out of the tent now before I move you out of the tent. I'm gonna count to 3, and then I'm gonna remove you.
Hi, Mama.
I don't ask twice.
Come on, man.
I ask once, and then I tell you, then I make you.
You all got a kennel or something to start grabbing these puppies?
I'm getting my shoes,
Stop
man.
reaching for
Stop making up stuff. God.
See, man. Yeah. I mean, it looked like to me, I get it, the machete is in the same vicinity. But I think if he wanted to grab the machete, he would have just grabbed it and would have. I don't necessarily think that he was trying to grab the machete, but I can understand the officer getting freaked out by it. But now she took the machete out, so that's a non-factor now. Okay, the machete is a non-factor, and then you got the, the male officer trying to show off in front of the female officer, and he boasting his chest all of a sudden, and you can see the guy trying to put on his socks, gonna put on his shoes. He not going crazy slow or anything. It's actually reasonable, but you got, when the male officers get in front of the female officers, they try to show off, you know what I mean? And it just all went south from there.
On you, right? You're not going to be a problem.
Nah, hell no. I'm just...
All right, I'm going to drop it down to your feet. Wiggle your legs a little bit. Now you can step out of it. All right. All right. Thanks, bud.
You're welcome.
What's your first name again?
Crucito.
Crucito?
Yeah.
Go by Chris or anything?
Cruz.
Cruz? All right,
Yeah.
Cruz. All right, buddy. I'm going to close this. Watch your arm, okay?
Where that failed.
After being medically cleared, Cruz was transported to the Key West Detention Center without further incident. He was charged with resisting obstructing without violence, resisting with violence, aggravated assault on a peace officer, battery on a peace officer, and a municipal ordinance for his camping location. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
My bad. What do you guys think about the puppies being removed? Now, I can understand the puppies being removed if he's not able to take care of them. If he can't afford to feed them, stuff like that, and animal control got to come over there and feed the puppies and all that, then I understand that. But do you think that they should have took the puppies if he was able to feed them and take care of them, even though he's homeless? Do you think that the puppy should have been removed out of his care if, and only if, he's able to take care of them? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.